If you own a GoPro, then this is a must-have accessory. Hello friends, and welcome to not the studio. This time we're outside, but we're still here in Seattle, and my name is Susie and I'm here at Gemini Connect. And this is a ZJ Cine charging case that I've found to be really helpful because if you guys are like us and you use your GoPro really frequently, then you know that even though GoPro batteries are getting better, they're still not the very best. And so you often have to carry multiple GoPro batteries to keep yourself fueled throughout the day as you're filming. So we're currently using the GoPro Hero 10, which we think is the very best GoPro ever made. And we also have the new Enduro batteries that we picked up, but we're still finding ourselves having to charge those batteries throughout the day. And so this is where the ZJ Cine charging case comes in really handy because it allows you to charge up to 3 GoPro batteries at a time. It'll charge the new Enduro batteries as well as the GoPro batteries for the Hero 9 and 10, but it will also charge older GoPro batteries for as far back as the Hero 5. It'll charge the official GoPro batteries as well as any third-party knockoffs, which we haven't talked about in a while. And you know, we used third-party knockoff batteries with our GoPro Hero 7 originally, and we found them to actually work really well, but we had a lot of freezing bugs and just little issues with the Hero 7. And so people told us it was because we were using third-party batteries. So ever since then, we've stopped using those batteries and we only use official GoPro batteries. And we've seen a little bit of improvement. And so I'm not really sure if that's really, doing anything to stop the freezing bugs, but that's why we only use official GoPro batteries. But in the past, we've, had decent luck with the third-party batteries, so you can actually use those as well. But back to the charging case. So yeah, this charging case allows you to charge up to 3 GoPro batteries, and it'll do so in about 2.5 hours. And when this charging case is fully charged, you can charge your batteries up to 4 times. Speaking of charging, you charge this case via the USB-C port back here. You can plug it in, and you'll also notice a USB-A port because you can plug in and charge other devices, such as a GoPro directly or even a cell phone, a camera. So it doubles as a battery charger as well as a device charger, which is really, really awesome. One other great feature about this charging case is that it not only charges and stores your extra batteries, but you can also store your micro SD cards up here in the lid. Specifically, there are 4 slots, but I just like how they use the lid and they gave you something useful out of it, because I feel like a lot of other cases kind of neglect the lid portion. And so, yeah, I just like the extra functionality of this charging case. Now, in my mind, there are 2 main downsides to this charging case. The first is the size, because if you look at the original official GoPro battery charger that charges 2 batteries at a time, it's a lot smaller, so it's a lot easier to travel with and just stick in your pocket, versus this thing, it doesn't fit in any of my pockets and it takes up a lot more space. But the benefit is that you can charge more than 2 batteries at a time, and you also get the power to charge other devices, so it acts as an external battery. The second downside is the price. This is $55 US, which is a lot of money. So you do have to weigh, is it worth paying all that money for the charging case? But in my mind, it actually is, because you get the convenience of not only charging batteries, but also charging your other devices. So it's kind of a 2-in-1 device. But yeah, we've been using this battery charger for the last couple weeks. It's been coming in really clutch and working extremely well. And so I highly recommend getting it if you have the expense for it. But let me know in the comments what you guys think, and we will see you in the next video.